Join me as I try to pack for a week-long vacation using only 10 must-have items. When it comes to packing for a vacation, we've all been there, scrambling to gather everything we need, only to end up with a suitcase full of unnecessary items and still managing to forget the essentials. What if I told you there's a better way? That with just a few must-have items, you can ensure a stress-free trip no matter where you're headed. One of the biggest packing challenges we face is overpacking. It's easy to get carried away and throw everything into the suitcase just in case. But let's be real. How many of us have actually worn those extra 5 shirts or used that fancy hairdryer? The truth is, most of the time, we end up lugging around a bunch of unnecessary items, adding to our stress levels and taking up valuable space in our suitcases. Another common issue is forgetting the essentials. We've all been guilty of leaving behind important documents, adapters, or medications, only to realize our mistake when it's too late. And then there's the climate conundrum. How do you pack for a trip that takes you from the scorching heat of the beach to the freezing cold of the mountains? So how do we overcome these packing challenges? By focusing on the must-haves, of course. In my experience, there are 10 essential items that every traveler should pack, no matter where they're headed or for how long. First, do not forget your travel documents. Passport, ID, visas and tickets. Keep passport, ID, visas, itinerary and any other travel documents in a secure, easy-to-reach spot. Photocopies or digital copies of these documents. Store copies separately in case of loss or theft. While most of these items can be accessed digital, it's never a bad idea to have hard copies as a backup. Next, you need a good travel backpack. This might seem obvious, but trust me, it's a game changer. Look for one that's sturdy, comfortable, and has multiple compartments to keep your belongings organized. Also, a portable charger, because let's face it, we're all glued to our phones, and the last thing we want is to run out of battery when we need it most. A travel adapter is also a must-have, especially if you're planning on visiting multiple countries with different power outlets. Don't even get me started on the importance of packing a reusable water bottle. Not only is it better for the environment, but it'll also save you money and ensure you stay hydrated on the go. A set of packing cubes is another essential item that'll keep your suitcase organized and make the most of your luggage space. Also, don't forget about a travel-sized toiletry bag, packed with all the essentials like toothbrush, toothpaste, and any medications you might need. Also consider including items like hand sanitizer and wet wipes for hygiene. A money belt or a secure wallet is also a must-have, especially if you're traveling to crowded areas or popular tourist destinations. Cross-body bags can also be used and worn across your chest. Don't forget to include durable, comfortable shoes suitable for walking long distances and exploring various terrains. While you may think you need multiple pairs of shoes for different outfit, the right sneakers can be dressed up or down. Lastly, there's one item that I think many travelers overlook, and that's a pack of travel-sized laundry detergent. Think about it. You're on a week-long trip, and suddenly you spill coffee all over your favorite shirt. Without this little lifesaver, you'd be stuck with a dirty, coffee-stained shirt for the rest of your trip. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of traveling and forget about the little things that can make or break our trip. But by focusing on these 10 must-have items, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free, enjoyable vacation, no matter where you're headed. So there you have it, my ultimate travel packing list. What are your packing tips and must-have items? Share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other travel videos. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.